Good morning everyone. My name is Ingle Roshan Yaneshwar and my PRN number is 19303311910009. And my presentation topic is use of bamboo as a reinforcement material in a concrete road construction. So we will move forward. And my for the presentation, I will tell you the content in my PPT. First of all, introduction, then objective, what is a road and pavement, types of pavement, drawback of a steel, about bamboo. First, availability and variety of bamboo. Second, taste on a bamboo. Third, treatment of a bamboo. Fourth, mechanical and physical properties of bamboo. Comparison between pavement material, and at last conclusion and references. So we will move forward. Development introduction. So development of the country depends on the connectivity of various places. Advocate road networks like Kashmir to Kanyakumari, like Gujarat Maharashtra, from Maharashtra to west to east side, like that we will connected by the roads. So road constitute the most important mode of communication in areas where railways have not developed much. So India has one of the largest road networks in the world. For the purpose of management and administration, roads in India are divided into the following five categories. First of all, national highways. Second, state highways. Third, major district road. Fourth, other district road. And five, village road. Village road is the minor road. So objectives. What is the objectives? To investigate the behavior of bamboo as a reinforcement, comparative study between steel and bamboo, to study of the road topology, conclusion on our study. What is a road and a pavement? So road is an open, generally public way of the passage of people, vehicles and animals and other things. Pavement is a finished with a hard, smooth surface. It helps make them durable and able to withstand traffic and environment. They have a lifespan between 20 to 30 years. What is the function? So we see the functions. One of the primary function of pavement is load distribution. It can characterized by the tire loads, configuration, repetition of loads, distribution of traffic across the pavement and vehicle speed. Types of pavement. There are two types of pavement depending upon the material used. First is flexible pavement. You see that there are some layers of you see in the picture there are some layers in we see that first is subgrade, second is subbase, base and base course and binder course and surface course. So flexible pavement, we see bitumen is widely used in the construction of flexible pavement for the long time. This most convenient and a simple type of construction, have a low flexible strength, load is transferred by grain to grain contact, have a low lifespan. We will focus on that there is a low lifespan. So how to lifespan we increase, we will see in the next slide and another coming slide. So rigid pavement. What is the rigid pavement? Deformation in the subgrade is not transferred to subsequent layer. Design is based on a flexural strength or a slab actions. Have a high flexural strength. No such a phenomenon of grain to grain transfer exists. Lifespan is more as compared to flexible pavement. In rigid pavement, concrete carries compressive strength and a steel carries tensile strength. But steel has some advantages and disadvantages. As we see in previous PPT, there are the low lifespan. But in this rigid pavement, there are the more lifespan as compared to flexible pavement. So we will move forward. There are the basic component of a concrete pavement. Next one, test to be performed for the construction of road. First is specific gravity test, second is water absorption test, third is practical size distribution, fourth is classification of soil, and fifth is optimum moisture content, sixth is liquid limit, and seventh is plastic limit. And drawback of steel, we will focus on that. So highly corrosive, you know that the steel are the highly corrosive in contact with moistures and rains and waters. So high maintenance cost, it require a high maintenance cost, high upfront cost, hazardous byproduct while manufacturing, require a highly skilled labor. If you use a steel, then we have require a highly skilled labor. So low fire resistance, you know that steel is a low fire resistance. Bamboo are a diverse group of evergreen perennial flowering plants making up the subfamily bamboos suidae of the grass family and Pisces. Giant bamboos are the largest member of the grass family. The origin of the word bamboo is uncertain, but it probably come from the Dutch. In bamboo, as in other grasses, the intermodal region of the stem are usually hollow and the vascular bundles the scattered throughout the stem inside of a cylinder arrangement. Bamboo Bamboo is a versatile and has a notable and cultural significance. Availability Availability and variety of bamboo. The total bamboo bearing area of the country is estimated to be 15.59 million hectares. A maximum bearing bamboo area in Madhya Pradesh, then followed by Maharashtra, and then Arunachal Pradesh and Odisha. India is the second richest country in bamboo genetic resource after China. 136 species of bamboo are available in India. Among 136 species, there are the different types of bamboos. Species meaning that there are the different types of bamboos are available in India. There are the 136 types of bamboo are available in India. Among them, 20 species were systematically tested. Our scientists said there are 20 species were systematically tested. So 16 species are recommended for the structural use. As our topic is for the use of bamboos, there are 16 species we are recommended for the structural use. According to a test on bamboos, according to IS 6874/2008, there are 3 methods for the determination of physical properties and 4 methods for the determination of mechanical properties. First of all, physical properties. In this, first moisture content, basic mass per volume, third is shrinkage. And mechanical properties. First is static bending strength, second is compressive strength parallel to grain, third is tensile strength parallel to grain, and fourth is shear strength parallel to grain. For next treatment of method for a bamboo. According to IS 9096/2006, this standard covers types of preservation and treatment procedure of bamboo. Bamboo used for this structural purpose. Recommended preservatives. So recommended preservatives: coal, tar, and shear acids, copper, chrome, arsenic, and composition, acidic, cupric, chromate, and composition, copper, chrome, boron composition, boric acid, borax, copper, zinc, naphthalate. So mechanical and physical properties of bamboo, there are given in the charts. There are the we tested properties of bamboo. There are mechanical and physical properties. You see that in this slide. In this slide, we are see that mechanical and physical properties. There are 16 types of bamboo. First is bamboo, bamboos, auriculata, B. These are the B. Bulica. These are the universal name of bamboos that like all accepted in our country, all countries. There are the 16 types of bamboo and their density, their in green condition. They are checking all the activity, all the mechanical and physical properties of structural bamboo. So comparison between pavement and materials. So stress, mild steel, bamboo, mass concrete. There are we check that modulus of elasticity, tensile stress, compressive stress, and bond stress and shear stress. Comparison between the pavement and the bamboo. So general details of bamboo reinforcement. There are we see that in this picture we are try to told you that there are general details of bamboo and reinforcement. So at last, for moving the conclusion, with the use of modern road design method and engineering data on the mechanical and physical properties of structural bamboo, we conclude that it is the best alternative for the replacement of steel in construction. Bamboo gives advantages that offer building of light and a strong pavement to achieve a enhancement in economy and buildability. In India, we are using a steel in the rigid pavement which costly if you replace steel with a bamboo. We have a good quality road at a low cost. The durability of a bamboo reinforced roads as more than the earth roads, but the cost of a construction is less. I take these references for this seminar. There are National Building Code 2016, SP7, IS 6874 2008 for physical and mechanical properties of a structural bamboo, IS 82482 1976 for method of a test for field bamboo, IS 9096 2006 for treatment method for bamboo, IRC 15 2002 for standard specification for a structure of a concrete road. These are the references. At the base of the references, I tell you all the uh, effect how we can use bamboo in the road construction. Thank you so much.